Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've watched any of my videos before. If you're new here, I'm Melanie and I predominantly do food hauls and B&M hauls. So I've been to B&M and I've spent £19.95. I didn't even plan on spending that. There's things I went in that they don't have, so a lot of the time I don't end up getting everything that that I basically went in for. So I picked up two of these regional Lucasides. I've been ill quite a lot recently. I'm a lot better than what I was, but I found when I was really ill these were helping, so I just picked up two because it's cheaper to get them from B&M, although these are smaller. They're handy to have in. So I got the Flash traditional multi-purpose with the scent of natural French soap. So they also had the what's it called, the floor cleaner, do you know, the Flash all-purpose whatever it is, in this scent, but I want it in the bicarbonate of soda one because I don't think I'm going to like this because I don't really like lavender and French soap is lavender, so I just got the spray to try. Then I got the Minky antibacterial bathroom pad. I don't know which bathroom I'm going to use it in because I've got an ensuite and then I've got a main bathroom with a bath. But I feel like I want it in my ensuite for the shower screen. I just feel like that's where I'm going to use it. And that was £2.79. They didn't have a price up for it. And they've not had any of these in before in my B&M, so I got it whilst I could. Another thing that I got whilst I could are the elbow grease surface scrub wipes. They're £1 a pack. I got one to give away and two to keep. But in case I don't like them, I might give two away, and I don't know. But because my B&M is one of those shops where you see it once and you're lucky to see it again, I did pick up 3 packs, and they're quite thick packs. I generally stay clear of cleaning wipes, unless they're biodegradable ones, because I have a pack of them, but I've had them ages because I basically try and not use them. Then I got a garlic crusher, £2.49. I've been looking for one for weeks and weeks and weeks, and they're always really expensive. Like when I was in Max Spencer's, it was £7 and it looked good. It looked slightly better than this, but it's a garlic press at the end of the day, and I'm sick of like cutting it up. I just want to like squash it. But when it went through the checkout, he started laughing, the guy in the checkout who always serves me, and he was like, "You won't believe this," and he spun the thing round and he asked for proof of ID. He asked if I was over 18. And he's like, "What the hell can you do with a garlic press?" And I'm like, "I don't have a clue. Be careful though, you know. You're selling it to me, I might do something dangerous with it." And we just had a laugh with it because what could you do with that? Milk chocolate Easter bunnies, they're to put in orders. I have a small business and sometimes I'll put like a chocolate in, or a chocolate bar or a cake bar or something. And I thought with Easter, I have burnt my hand by the way, Easter coming up, I just thought, not every order, but some orders where I know they've either got children or I know they would like that kind of thing, I'll put one of them in. I got 2 of these, which I get every time I go in. You can get the big massive bottles from the supermarket if you're into it, but it's handy to have one of these because when you've got the bottle open, because it's like a litre bottle, like you should drink it, or else when you go to it the next day it'll be flat. Then I spotted these by accident. They had another one, and the only scent that I've tried and liked by Fabulosa is the rhubarb, so I didn't pick up the other one because I've not even smelt that scent, and I thought I don't want to buy lots of stuff because I don't get through most of the stuff I've got already, so I thought I'd get this to give it a go. I've seen lots of people have it and it's available in lots of different scents. I'm just looking to see how much it was so I can let you know. It was £1.49. I can't remember the other scent, but I'm sure they do like 4 cents. So I picked up one of these a few weeks ago. Hopefully that video's gone up because sometimes they have faults in my videos, so I miss chunks of them at times putting them up. And I fell in love with the spray. Like I use it all the time. It's my favourite spray. I cleaned my fridge out with it and my fridge has never been whiter. So I've wanted it since and I've not seen it since. And I saw the French soap one at the end of the aisle, so I thought, oh well, I'm not going to see the bicarb one. And when I got down to where it normally is, they had quite a few of them, but they didn't have the floor cleaner, which is really annoying me because I really want the floor cleaner. So I've got another spray anyway. I was meant to have that, like I picked it up about an hour and a half ago, or hour and 20, totally forgot about it, so I'm going to have it now. Probably keep me up all night. And I got a 3-litre bottle of Pepsi Max, and that is everything I've got. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification to get an alert every time I upload a similar video. I'll be back very soon, hopefully with my next part of my weekly food haul. Thank you for watching.